2 teaspoons of the
In the night where thoughts collide, I feel your presence by my...
Guys, welcome back to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV. And in today's video, guys, we're gonna make the pumpkin rice with the jerk sauce, guys. So stay tuned while I have my pumpkin clean, guys. Alright guys, I'm having my pumpkin. I'm gonna cut it up, then I have it clean, guys.
Ready? Did you stop the parade? Rolling what? This morning.
When we dance, it's like a dream. Every heartbeat, a silent scream. Fighting battles in the dark, but your eyes will spark a fire, a spark. Together we rise. Nothing can break us now.
Alright guys, I'm gonna have it wash up and I'm gonna remove the skin, then I'm gonna mince it, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, I already have them washed and I have them clean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make cubes because these are the sizes I want in the rice, guys. I'm just making cubes. You could dice it however you want it. Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm on my last 2 pieces, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my onion peel clean, my ginger. So guys, please follow me. Alright guys, already washed my onion. I'm gonna go ahead cut it because you know we still have to season the rice, and we're using natural season, not meat seasoning. And then as you can see guys, I have my ginger right there. I'm gonna go ahead and mince it. This is my ginger. That's how I mince. Do you all put ginger in your rice, guys? The pumpkin rice, or only rice and peas? Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'm adding some cooking oil to my frying pan. So that's good guys, you don't need a lot of oil because remember we're going to have the coconut milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the chopped onion that I did go ahead and dice. I'm gonna add the minced ginger. Alright guys, I'm adding my red and yellow pepper, and that's the bell pepper. So you just want to have it sauteed for a little bit. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of the jerk seasoning, guys. And then you want to give it a stir. And then I'm going to add my pumpkin, guys. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to add my coconut milk. Alright guys, as you can see, I give it a little stir. So I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water. And then I'm going to let that cook for like 8 minutes. So stay tuned guys. I'm adding in my scallion and my thyme, guys. Stay tuned. I'm checking the progress of the pumpkin, guys, and the coconut milk. As you can see, I'm gonna add my salt right now. Alright guys, I'm giving it my stir to get the rice washed and placed in it, so stay tuned guys. Guys, I'm using 2.5 pounds of rice, so I'm gonna get it washed and placed in the pot, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, I already have my rice washed and clean, so I'm gonna have it placed in the pot right now. I'm getting in my rice, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let that cook on low heat. And guys, you know the deal already, cooking rice, so we have to use that low heat. So I'm gonna have it covered and have the stove turned down to low. Guys, here's my smoked turkey neck. I'm gonna have it served with the pumpkin jerk seasoned rice, guys. So I'm gonna have it all seasoned up right now. As you can see, I have my oxtail season. Alright guys, I already add my oxtail season. Now I'm going to my garlic powder. And remember guys, I'm using 3 pounds smoked oxtail. So I have to properly get it seasoned. And now I'm using the paprika. Here goes my onion powder. I'm using a splash of cayenne. So now I'm going in with my browning, guys. And that's good for now, guys. So I'm gonna have it all mixed together. I'm gonna use my hands, guys. Already have them washed. So I'm just gonna toss them around. As you can see, guys, this is how I season them. You just toss them around, they absorb the seasoning so quick. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my pat on the stove where I'm gonna add my oil. It's already hot, guys, so you know the deal. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna have some garlic. As you know, I always have my garlic, guys. So I'm gonna have that set right there and have it heated. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, I'm gonna add my turkey neck now. And this, guys, I'm just kind of having the meat harden to the bone a little bit. So when it's time for me to add my water, I don't have the meat running off the bone. I want it to still be compact to the bone. And that's the reason I'm doing it like this, guys. Already add my browning, so you know it's the next form of browning also. So I'm gonna let it brown for, I'm gonna give each side 5 minutes and then I'll add my water. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, I'm gonna have them turn on the other side, but this time I'm using my tongue. Okay, you know, you wanna have them turn perfectly with the tongue. With the spoon is kind of, oh, the garlic. Let me get some over here. As you can see, guys, this is how I normally do it. I don't know how you guys do your turkey neck, guys. If anyone that ever done it like this, guys, tell me how it tastes. If it's more tasty, juicy, or how do you guys like it? You guys could leave it in the comment. How you guys normally do your turkey neck. So you see, guys, that's it. I have the garlic and it's being secreted in the oil. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, as you see, it's crying for the juice. So I'm gonna add the water. Perfecto. Perfecto, bravo. Alright guys, as you see, it's good like that. So I'm gonna add my seasoning, my water, some little bit more water, about 1 more cup of water. I'm gonna let it cook. I'm adding in all my natural seasoning, guys, that I already cut up on the side. So I just have it all mixed around. So I'm gonna have this cooking for like 30, 35, 40 minutes, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, I'm checking in on the turkey neck. I'm gonna check the texture of the gravy, as you can see, guys. And the meat didn't fall off the bone, but it's cooked. So, guys, you know what time is it? We're gonna have it cooked for the next 5 minutes, and then we have it plated, guys. So stay tuned. You're all gonna see the finished product, guys, and we're gonna give you the result. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Guys, there you have it. That's the complete meal that was being perfectly planned and executed on time and to perfection, guys. And guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. As you see, this meal, as it's plated on the plate, is very detailed, guys. Everything in it, you can see what make up the meal right through. For the turkey neck, natural seasoned sauce, guys, as you could see. Even the jerks was standing out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test of the turkey neck and give you guys my honest opinion. Because remember, guys, we let it stick to the bone for a little bit. The turkey neck is juicy. You could taste the season. So I'm gonna go ahead with the pumpkin jerk rice. Wow. This rice, guys, it have a little kick to it because I use the hot sauce jerk season, guys. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this meal because my appetite is open right now. So peace
I
out,
feel your
like, share, and
presence
subscribe,
by
and
my
stay tuned for
side.
more epic videos,
A
guys.
melody that calls my name. You play my heart like a sweet refrain. When